Hello everyone and welcome to LearnTech. As you may know, Windows 11 22H2 version is officially released to everyone. In case that you want to update your Windows 11 PC to this version, you just need to go at settings and then you click over Windows Update here on the left and then you click over Update Now or Install them all and you will be able to get the latest version of Windows 11. But in case that you want to download the ISO file of Windows 11 22H2 version, you just have to search on Google Windows 11 download and then you need to click over this link here, download Windows 11, and you will come on this web page. But I will put the link on the description below so you can come directly on this page of Windows 11. And once you are here, you just need to scroll down at the end where it is download Windows 11 disk image ISO. This option is for users that want to create a bootable installation media, for example USB flash drive or DVD, or create a virtual machine with Windows 11 as operating system. This download is a multi-edition ISO file. So we have to click over here and then we choose Windows 11 multi-edition ISO. Then we click over download. Now it will ask us to choose the time and the language. I'm going to choose English International and then I'm going to click over confirm. Once you are done with this selection, you just need to click over this link which says 64-bit download. We click here and as we can see now Windows 11 22H2 English International 64-bit is downloading on my PC. After you have downloaded this file, you can update your PC on this latest version of Windows 11, or you can use this ISO file to create a bootable USB and to install Windows 11 22H2 version on any PC that you want. That's all that I want to show you guys. I hope you liked this video and please leave your comments below. Wish to you all the best. Thank you.